let's make French sandwich. So I got this roasted chicken and this long bread, French bread, and some mayonnaise, and then so let's make it. Wow, so roasted. This one, let's pull it out. Just half. Then just gonna break it like this. This is the mayonnaise, and it is like the tube one. I'm gonna just add some salad. And add the chicken. So let's taste. Oh. Hi guys, it's evening and I'm making some tiramisu. I got this mascarpone, cheese and lady fingers for like tiramisu biscuits type of thing. It's like lady fingers, normally we call that. And then this mascarpone, we have to add this. And then some cream cheese, coffee, but I have this coffee. Let's try. I don't know, I'm just trying for the first time. I just saw it in like internet, and then I just wanted to make it. But I'm really fond of like trying a lot recipes from online. So yeah, let's try this one. So first, I don't know but how to make this espresso because I don't drink a lot of coffee. I just drank like lately, but I really don't know how to make the espresso kind of thing. So what I'm gonna do is like, I'm gonna take these. I don't know it will be too much or not, but I'm gonna take these, or maybe four is fine I think. So I'm gonna take 3. I don't know, but yeah, I think this 4 is fine. So let's do this like this. I'm gonna add these in this. I'm not making this diet kind of thing, but I really want to eat like proper tiramisu, not a like diet one. But I'm gonna make in the next videos maybe the diet one. So I think it's enough powder. Let's see. We need some strong espresso for this, so let's do this. Yeah, let it boil, and let's make the frosting now. So let's go make frosting. Whipping cream. It's like half cream. I was doing it as half cream. Okay, I added sugar, and let's now add this mascarpone. Mascarpone. This should be the needed ingredient for tiramisu. And let's mix. I swear. It's not like I made it so it's good, but it's really so good. Birthday to me. Yeah.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
So yeah, that's how it went. I cleaned everything and I'm gonna go out and chill a bit and just come back home and sleep. Yeah, let's go out. Polo pizza. Penne al pesto.
Non, là on ira, c'est exceptionnel parce que tu verrais qu'est-ce qui bouffe. Là, je dis, bah oui, il doit y avoir une bague. Regarde à faire.